first method requires a lava pool, a water bucket, a few blocks, a pickaxe, and flint and steel. So start on the edge of the lava pool and count 3 blocks, and in front of the third block, place a dirt block. And then right next to the dirt block, to the left, you're going to place a water, and then remove the dirt block. After that, mine out the base of the portal if it's not already obsidian, and then make it obsidian, like that. And then pick up your water, and the frame is done. Now, in front of the right obsidian, 1, 2, 3 blocks, and then right above this obsidian, next to the third block, another dirt, and then on the left obsidian in front of it, place 2 dirt over here, and then on the corner of this pillar, place your water, and it should be like this. Now pick up some lava and place it on top of the right obsidian, then on top of that, then on top of this front, on the left obsidian, on top of that, and then right here. And then you can pick up your water and light your portal, and you can go to the Nether. The second method requires the use of a flint and steel, a few blocks, and 10 obsidian. So first, place 2 obsidian on the ground, then place your blocks right next to each corner. Then on top of those blocks, the obsidian, 1, 2, 3, 1, 3, and then on top of those obsidian, place your block, and then fill in the gap with the obsidian. And then you can light the portal, and you're good to go.